Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna use 3 ingredients to make a delicious Middle Eastern dish. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave on the description box. Let's get started? The recipe I'm gonna make is mujadara. I'm gonna start by the lentils. I'm gonna put crushed garlic, olive oil, the canned lentils, cooking salt, simmer a bit and set aside. I'm gonna heat a frying pan. Put the lentils without the water. Cooked long grain rice. Ground cumin, and mix together. I'm gonna transfer to a plate. And add the fried onions. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!